You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this car model. Now, the car brand names, the manufacturer's name in Korean is said as Hyundai. Hyundai. Now in English it's often said as Hyundai, but it should be Hyundai Palisade. Hyundai Palisade. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it at least, it helps me immensely. Thanks for your support. More videos for you here to learn more car names that many get wrong. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.